Hi, my name is Mason Waring, and I'm an attorney at CCK. I'm joined here with my colleague, CCK attorney Leah Small. Today, we're going to talk about surveillance in long-term disability claims. So let's get started. What types of surveillance tactics do we see in long-term disability claims?
So there are a few different tactics that the insurance company might use. They might do more background research on the claimant, so looking at their social media, Googling them to find out where they live, what type of properties they own, who they live with. But they also will do surveillance where they'll actually go to the claimant's house, sit outside the house, take videos of the claimant, take photos of the claimant, and while they can't survey you inside your house, they wait for the claimant to come out. And they may even at that point follow the claimant to see what activities are they engaging in, what does their condition look like. And it's important to keep in mind that they do this for a couple different reasons. They'll often claim, they're trying to just verify your disability and root out possible fraudulent claims. But the reality is that, unfortunately, they're really doing it to find a reason to deny the claim.
Yeah, we don't often see the insurance company conducting surveillance and saying, oh, we witnessed this person looking disabled, therefore it supports the claim. They just don't use it.
Right.
So.
And it's also important to keep in mind that as a claimant, you're likely not going to know that whether they're going to do surveillance or not. And they can do it at any point in the claim process. They can do it while they're reviewing your initial claim. They can do it later on after your claim has been approved. And again, you're likely just not going to know.
Right. It's a creepy realization for clients often that the insurance company might be investigating them online, taking photos of them, following them, videotaping them. What advice would you have for someone who's hearing this, or what advice do you give to clients?
Number one is if you're being honest and accurate when you're talking with your doctors about your condition and how it impacts you on a day-to-day basis, and if you're being honest and accurate with the insurance company when you're reporting about your symptoms and your activities and things like that, that's the biggest thing. That surveillance should not be a big deal, theoretically, if, again, you're being honest and accurate in what you're reporting.
Emotionally.
Yeah.
Emotionally it might be a big deal, but legally and in the context of the claim.
Right. But other ways you can kind of try and protect yourself, protect your claim, be conscious of what you're posting on social media. A lot of times people don't want to put out there that they're disabled. And so they might post old pictures or other things like that. But the insurance company will see that and say, see, you're looking fine.
Projecting that your life is better than it really is. Yeah.
Right. And so being conscious of what you post, also putting your accounts on private, so limiting the access, people that you're not connected with can get to your accounts, things like that. Keep an eye out if you see something weird, a strange car parked across the street from your house, be vigilant of that sort of thing. But, at the end of the day, we always tell our clients, you have to live your life. You don't need to be housebound in order to be entitled to long-term disability benefits usually. But again, just be conscious of your activities and, again, be honest and accurate in your reporting. Yeah,
and it's really good advice, and it bears repeating. I mean, don't downplay your disability. Don't exaggerate your disability. Yep. And that's when you're talking to your doctors, when you're talking to the insurance company. And if you're following those basic rules, you just live your life.
Right.
And do your best to not let it bother you.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for joining us here today. If you have questions about your long-term disability claim, if you've been denied, you need to file an initial claim, give us a call. It costs nothing to find out if we can assist you. Our number is 401-331-6300. You can find us online at cck-law.com. Please subscribe to our channel for future videos. And if you have ideas about future videos, please leave us a comment. Thank you very much.
Thank you.